people, welcome back again people. Today I have an amazing meal on the menu. Something nice, something different, something unusual. So people, today we have this. This is a quail. Look at it. Quail, obviously quail is a bird. You know what I mean? Google it, you can see the quail. You know what I mean? Quail is a small bird. So today we will cook it down with some coconut sauce with some, we have a different direction today, with some Gari. Gari is cassava. You know what I mean? Gari most eat by African. So we are combining the two together. We get back on the flag on the channel. Brand new flag. You know, so Africa have a flag everywhere there. So today I want to think. You know, apron, different style. So you know, so the food was full of flavor. So the man at the back go and play domino. You know there's something there. Sure, go on. You know what I mean?
No, you know there's something there.
Yeah?
You know what's a domino play.
While I'm there, I go and cook the food. So if you eat domino night in the back, you know what I mean? Don't feel away. Because domino. Because you go already, everybody finish work and just relax in the evening. So, see the food now. See that? It wash already with vinegar. So, so season it nice. You know what I mean? So, all purpose on it. So, smoked paprika. A bit of coconut oil as well, because you know the coconut oil, once you want to marinate quick, you have to put a bit of coconut oil, because you don't need time to marinate, so the oil at the season stick to the meat. Look at it. Come closer, show them what I go on. You can see the quail. The quail is a bird. You can Google it and see what a quail look like. A small bird. The eggs them are very nutritious on the meat, so this chip can't work with any meat. So just a bit of the season soak through with a fork. You know what I mean? So we'll leave this now. Sit for a bit. Marinate it for a bit. So we'll go ahead and light the fire now. So, fire go on light, the meat go on season, don't go nowhere, you don't want to miss this. So the Gari with the quail, you know, Gari is a cassava, you know what I mean, just put some warm water in it, stir it a bit and leave it sit for a bit and the meal in 3 minutes. So, while the food are going to cook, we're tuning for the domino game, show what go on. We're going on the board, because be nice now, make them want to know what go on. We're not playing. When I play, can I make be nice?
Right now,
yeah?
Man have 7 love.
7 love. Okay.
Yeah,
the people. So the domino game now here.
Yeah, I 18 love for you.
Alright.
Yeah, right. Nah, so
the domino love out there. You know what I mean? It's a bit of local thing food. So before I go and catch now, food will go on season. In the meantime, come closer. In the meantime, we'll cut up we'll prep seasoning. We'll prep in the meantime, because we now waste no time. Because you know food and evening. So I feel us get them to get everything together. We'll go and prep the seasoning in the meantime. Mash up in both, so. Sweet pepper give the flavor in the food. It's a funny taste, but you know what I mean? So the spring onion. I'm gonna serve this meal. We'll cook it down. Some coconut sauce. So we actually getting to the point where we want to be. The time, you know the time, measurement, measure the food, the flavor in the food, the time in it as well. So let's catch up on the pepper. I'm going to use 2 different types of pepper. I'm going to use a whole pepper on top just to get a bit of flavor. I'm also going to cut piece of the next pepper. So I'm going to use two different pepper in 2 different ways. Watch the style. Yeah. This is first pepper. If you just cut up with season them. You know what I mean? Cut up fine because you know. Remember, after you use the pepper, always remember to wash your hand because pepper not plating. People, share the video with my people. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, leave a comment, let me know what I go on. Don't be afraid. Yeah, man. So everything right here. So the garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, red onion, white onion, sweet pepper, thyme, spring onion. Yeah. So you hear this? You know this mean? Pimento. After the pimento in the food. Because you know it's full of flavor. So the pimento, we go smash it. We're not going to really, after the feed wheel, we're not really the pimento. You know what I mean? If you don't hurt yourself, if you can't do it, use something else. So smash it a bit. Yeah. So all the flavor now smash out.
Don't take it for
people, theater people. So the fire catch now. You know what I mean? Dutch pot, cause you know after Dutch pot in the kitchen. You know what I mean? In case someone break in your house. I'm joking. So people, this is the fire now. Ready? Put on the pot, cause you know say we're gonna fry the quail dry and crispy, then you cook it down in the coconut sauce. You know what I mean? Nice and crispy and juicy. So we're going to put some energy in the fire. So alone you can make the fire blaze more time. Yeah? Fun the fire. People, share the video my people. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, make everybody know where I go on. Thanks to everyone who supports the channel. Like I said, almost the 500 subscribers now. We're going up, we're not going backward, we're going forward. No matter how the slow it is, still getting there. So people, keep sharing the video, my people. People, see the pot here, hot, ready for the full going night. Coconut Island. More time, people ever ask me, oh man, use my hot hand more time I'm going to pot because honestly, when I go with the teeth enough dumpling. And more time I put dumpling in my mouth, I go cool it before I kind of talk, so I'm gonna use to eat over the years. That's a good secret, not tell nobody. So, pot hot. Going oil. So you know, we'll fry this. We'll fry the quail nice and dry before we put it in the coconut sauce. So these 2 more blaze. In the meantime, I want the oil to be real hot. So in the meantime, we'll drop the scotch bonnet in the pot. Give the oil some flavor, because you know a flavor the thing there. Drop 1 pimento as well as 2 pimento. Yeah. So people, aware, we'll give the oil some flavor. Yeah, man. pizza. I smell the aroma, everything I come out the oil now. You know what I talk about flavor? And flavor in my third pot. So you know the oil, ready. People, see the quail there, nice and juicy. We fry this really dry. People can smell the bird. Nice. A meal that is something I cook already. Got the quail. Got the coconut sauce. So I know the oil have enough flavor in the oil. So you can smell the flavor before you put the bird nice. So just stay tuned people. Stay tuned people. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. Check in on the pot. So I go on the pot, the quail people. Nice and brown. So we want the nice brown color. You know what I mean? Almost there. Nice. And smell the aroma and come out of the pot. Fry it nice and dry. Fry it nice and dry. And then we're gonna put on the seasoning separate and then actually put the quail in the pot. So people, stay tuned people, share the video, tell a friend, make everybody know what go on. We're going up. Ready, people, ready. Juicy, nice. So the quail people, fry it just the way I like it. Juicy.
Lone striker, I'm not going no game. Lone striker.
So people,
Rap.
that we know a game and go hot in the back. So we're fry the season now.
Oh my God.
Garlic, onion, pimento, everything people.
Rush him again. Go. Yeah, like double five get squeezed, you know, like lemon juice. Lone striker.
People, the season fry nice. Ready? We'll put down the season now. We're making the coconut sauce to put the quail in. That's all the season nice. Everything, pimento, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, garlic, everything that is scotch bonnet pepper. So, show the what today we use the frozen coconut because we want it quicker. Next time we use the original coconut, normal we go to one coconut. So we show me the coconut sauce now. You want the sauce rich? I know coconut love coconut flavor. Alright.
Dead, you know, brother.
Stir this now, people.
Now give him a shuffle.
Yeah, man, can see the coconut watch out. Rich. Look more. With the flavor. It's rich. So I'll leave this now. Simmer down for about 4 or 5 minutes. Then you put in the quail night. And make it simmer again. Put more coconut again. Stay tuned, my people. You don't want to miss this video. People, come closer. So I'll go on
Hold up here, come on,
with the coconut sauce. It's rich. Look at it, rich. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead now and drop the quail night one by one. Put the sauce all over it. Inside it all over it. Every flavor. No flavor now escape. You know it. So before we leave it. People, stay tuned to people. Share the video. Subscribe to the channel, people. I'm almost there. 500 subscribers now. Going up. Remember, we have no subscribers. So still grateful. Thanks everybody who support the channel. And keep viewing the channel. And keep come back. So get into the cooking now. So I'll put some more thing over it. You know, look at it. Rich. Nice. Juicy.
One near boy. Watch out.
So look at it. I think you finish it. We still put more coconut in it because you know we love coconut flavor. Watch how I go on. So we're gonna grate the coconut all over it. Yeah. All over it. So coconut now. This coconut in pot now. We're not going to take it off. We're going to leave it, make it just simmer down. Pan the quail with that extra flavor. So look at it, just pan it right in the middle. People, ready. So the fire too high now. So we'll turn on the fire right now. We don't want to rush the pot. So tray off the grill. Want to simmer. Nice. We're gonna rush food. Look at it. You can smell the rich coconut flavor. I come out of it. And like me I tell, we should there for this smell the food. Yeah, man. Look at it. Leave us now. Show them again. Show them again. See it here? Look. See it here? Look. See it here? We'll leave it now to make it simmer down and just go on and get the Gari ready. Because you know once it's done, you can eat the food. Bless my people. Look at my people. Rich coconut sauce, rich. So the coconut them still melt down pan the quail. So we'll get that taste test.
What?
I have to taste the food, you know what I go on with the food. The sauce. Nice. Yeah man, so show them what I go on, come closer. See that? Quail, coconut sauce still melt all over it. So we'll cover it now. the next pot ready.
Much of it.
So we're gonna boil some water. Put salt in the pot. Make the gari. So the water I use to make the gari now. So. So just leave a bit of water in case you don't need so much water. People, like I said, people, gari is cassava. You know what I mean? So, so just stir it in. It's nice.
Yes, thanks.
Ready. So, yeah. Just leave it for that bit. Just cover it a bit. Leave it. People, leave it sit for a bit. Leave it sit for a bit and just ready. We'll share the food now. So now see what go on, people. Don't go on, people. Share the video. People, don't cook no more, people. Gari with the quail and the coconut sauce. Look at it. This is Gari. This is an African meal. And the first man eat it. You know what I mean? This is the coconut sauce. This is the quail in the coconut sauce. People, share it with my people. Tell a friend. Make everybody know what go on. Out here, stamps on the flag. Same way. Now the flag. Anywhere we go. So share the food now. You know what I mean? So people. Almost a presentation of the key, so what's the war going?
Then why different with the man that take the same 1 pound of flour and 10 dumplings? You see man make take 2, you know, like 3 pound of flour make 2 dumplings. Yeah, but see man use 4 pound of flour make 1 dumpling. And I'm man with that story. And I tell you, so me see it regular the other day, man take make 2 dumplings, 2 pounds.
Look at the people, look at it, rich. Check in my people, check in again. So see the food I know. Look at it. Nice and juicy. You can see the coconut still up on the quail. See the gari, the coconut sauce rich. Look at it. See the pimento, everything in it. Know what I mean? It's a bit messy, but people, you know, so you got outdoor cooking. So people, shit with my people, know what eat the food and make it know what go on with the food. So check in back. Think I fought my use? Man. Know what I mean? Man. No joke thing. People, if you try this. I know I'm not joking about. I can help myself. You want food? You go. You want food? You go. So, which one you go? You want food? Free the food there. People. Yeah. Tell me. So, I try the bird. That's good. So I'm going. People. The food sell off. Tell that. Mmm. Put all the sauce. Look at it. See that? So there. Make sure you wash your hand now. Wash your hand. All the rich coconut sauce. The scallion with the pimento, everything. People, this are the quail. With the Gari. Oops. African style. Transport. People, the food's so nice. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this meal. So people, stay tuned, my people. Chop the quail. Good. Rich. I'm so excited about this meal, people. Thanks for watching the video, people. Hope you enjoy the video. Do not give up. See me. Almost 500 subscribers. Getting better. So, I'm finished now. Eat my food from the store now. And next time, because this food is too nice, people, keep safe. All remember people. Come closer. I tell my personally. People, all remember people. God is the greatest. Remember that. One love. Bless up. Keep safe.